Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we're gonna discuss all about HTML headings. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, HTML headings plays a very important role in creating any HTML document. These headings are used to create the headings for each section in your document. So first of all, I'm gonna save this file as HTML headings.html. okay, and let's delete everything from within body tag or element, and now let's learn how to define them, and then I'll discuss how to properly use them and why they are so important to learn. Okay, to define HTML headings, we have h1 tags, h2, h3, h4, h5 up to h6. okay, so we can write h1 for defining the most important heading in your document. Okay, so I can write most important heading. Okay, and we can create this up to level of h6, so I can write the last heading is which is least important heading, and others are in between h1 and h6. so you might have guessed, next one is h2 and heading level 2 and so on. So we can write these heading up to h6. okay, so what are the things that we should keep in our mind while using these heading tags? The first and foremost thing that you should keep in your mind is that never use HTML headings, either be it h1, h2 or any of HTML headings, to create or make your text looks visually bigger or bolder. There are another way to achieve that effect. You can always use CSS to make your text bigger or bolder, but never use these HTML headings to make your text larger. Okay, so let's first see the results, how these headings are looking. Okay, so we have the most important h1 heading, this is the h2 heading, and this is h6 heading, and this is the h3 heading. So you might have guessed we have few other headings. Let's write them too. h4 heading level 4, and don't worry, I'm gonna give you an example so that you can learn how to properly use our headings into our document. Okay, so these are the 6 heading levels that we can use into our HTML web pages to create and structure our contents. Okay, HTML headings are also used by search engines to index the structure and content of your web pages. Okay, so now let's see how they are looking into our browser. So there are 6 HTML headings, and they have different sizes based on their level. Okay, so you also might have noticed that there are some spaces or margins adding to the top and bottom of these headings too. Okay, so you can control these spaces or margins using CSS. So I am not going to make this video too longer. In the next video I am going to discuss the practical use of these headings and how you can properly use these headings to create the logical sections into your document, and how the search engines use these headings to index your pages, and how the user uses these headings to read and skim throughout your web pages. Okay, so please hit like to this video and help me grow by subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment sections. I will respond as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.